Hello everyone, this is Argentinian Spotter and welcome back to the Variety channel, more like Lego Variety channel. Today's build will be the set 7634 from the City Theme, which is called City Tractor. I saw it available on eBay and I remembered I had it, so I wanted to rebuild it. Okay, without further ado, let's start by presenting you the minifig. A very colorful one, which if it didn't have the eyebrows and the shine on the eyes, it would be perfect for a classic minifig set. Okay, let's start construction of the set. We grab these 2x4 and attach these Technic pins. Now let's go to step 3. Turn this upside down. Add this 2x4 again in this position. This 1x4, and now let me grab this one, which goes here, and the other one of this. There we go. Now we grab this yellow part, which attaches like this. Add the holder, and then we grab these 2 Technic pins for the wheels. Then we grab this one. There we go. And there should be another one. Let me see. It should be around here. No, it isn't this one. Here it is. And then we add another one of these over here. Step 8 is the construction of these side skirts of the set, which are these ones. Oh, I was missing this small step, which goes like this and like this. We need 2 for this, but first we need to add this 1x2. We add this one over here, and then we build another one of these, which goes like this. And then we grab another 2 of the grabs that I showed you earlier, if I can find them. Could they be inside the bag? They aren't. Hopefully they aren't missing. Well, looks like they are missing, actually. No, sorry. There aren't any parts missing. This part goes here, and this one goes here. I was messing things up. Let me correct them. Like this. This and this one goes here. Perfect. Now we grab this 1x3s. Then grab this one here. Add this one, and this one. Then I'll grab this one here, touch it like this. This simple block. Let me check the instructions for the stickers. I have 3 of them. Let me grab it. There we go. Then we have the radiator. And this one goes here. Then we grab, where is it? This one, which goes here. Attach this one like this. Like this and like this. Then we grab this one and attach this one here. Then we grab the steering wheel, attach this one over here with the decal. These small pieces go here. I grab the fenders which go to the sides of the set. There we go. Now let me grab the minifig and attach it like this. Then I grab the positioning lights which go here and here. Now I grab the exhaust which goes here like this. These side sloped panels go here. Then by building this part and this one which attaches here, now I'll grab the glasses, the windshield, oops, sorry, and the other windshield which goes here, the roof. Oh, I'm missing something. This one goes here. Now attach the roof. There we go. Now we attach this part. Now let's build the loader part. This one goes here, this one and this one, and attach it like this, and this one goes here. There we go. Now let's add this wheel which goes here, add it like this, and let's add the rear wheel too. There we go. Now let's grab the front wheels, and this one goes here, and we have this shovel which I will carefully put inside the tractor. There we go. And here we have it, the city tractor from the farm team of Lego City, which is this one here. I haven't seen many of these sets available, maybe because this sub-theme wasn't as popular as the police, firefighters and all of them, but it's nice to have this one reassembled. Now I will leave you with the set like this in this shot, and I hope to see you all in the next video, which will maybe be Lego System 6905 from the Insectoids or the City 7248 for the Dozer. So take care all, and I'll see you in the next video.